See, these are the 5 sessions what we completed, but all these are nothing but an introduction to part 5. Okay. For the next couple of sessions, we are going to be carry forward all these things. Clear? So today we'll work on the sprint grooming session, like how we gather the requirements and everything, how we capture all these things. Okay. So in our drive, I'm just creating a document that's called Google Sheet document blank. You need not to be create, okay, but just read this document. See, for every user story in real time, we have like a user story number. What is that? User story number will be there, okay, and title or description or whatever it may be will be there. I'll make it as a title. Description. Story points. That means nothing but estimation points. Okay. Status. Assigning. Okay. And next you will have like something like, which sprint that is. Sprint is nothing but a sprint or release number. Release number. Currently in which environment? In which environment? Sandbox, or it goes to the go live production or whatever it may be. So these are the details what we are capturing. Clear? Let us say, let's go with the first requirement first. Ready? Yeah. So I'll keep you on mute. So if you have any doubts or any questions, please unmute yourself and you can ask me. See, who's your client here? From right? So do you know our end users? Who are they? Sales reps. Sales reps or
sales executives.
service reps. Okay. Whatever it may be. So those are nothing but an internal employee. Here we are making, I'm getting a lot of noise. Uday, I'll make you unmute.
Okay.
Yeah. Online people, can you see me now? I believe yes. Yeah. See, we have Crompton, and Crompton has some end users. End users are nothing but sales rep and service reps. We can make them as an internal employees. Okay. Let's say internal employees are like 100 employees. So you're going to develop an application for these 100 employees, and you can store millions of customers' data. Clear? Okay. So make that variation first. Yeah. So make that variation. Clear till here? So these two peoples need to access sales, need to use Salesforce. Okay. So for them, we need to create an applications. So first application is SMB Sales App. What is that app? Sales app. Yes. And next application is SMB Service Cloud app. Okay, two applications we are going to be create. How many applications here? For your project, how many applications are there? Two applications are there. Okay, two applications. One is SMB Sales App, another one is SMB Service Cloud app. So this app is going to use by sales reps. This app is going to use by your service reps. what they will do? So these people will generate business on top of those customers, and these people will serve service to the customers. Okay, if they have any problem or anything else, these people are going to be taking it. Till here, any doubts? Simple, right? So you got clarity, right? How many applications you are going to create? Two applications. So you got two requirements. So got it? Same. Real time also will be the same thing. Now I will make as this as CG CRM 5300. Okay, 5300. So this is your number. Which number? Story number. Okay. So what are the code you commit? What are the code you are branching? Okay. What are the stuff you are deploying into the production? Always must be related to this story number. Okay. So the title I am giving the title as SMB sales app. Now I'm going to write a description. This is very important. In this description, you will have acceptance criteria and everything. In the real time also will be the same thing. I'll show you the real time in one day. Okay. So now see, it will be like this. As a CRM product owner. Can you see this screen? Clear no? As a CRM product owner. That means PO. PO is nothing but a product owner. That means this guy is giving the business for me. Here product owner means Crompton. Okay. So as a CRM product owner, I want an app, sales app for the sales reps. By using it, they will do some pre-sales business and conversion of business. Got it? They do some pre-sale business and as well as conversion of business. Conversion of business means they will convert leads to customers. I'll tell you. Okay. So this is the description what the customer is expecting. Okay. Now for every user story, there will be an acceptance criteria. What is that? Acceptance criteria. For every user story, there will be an acceptance criteria. Acceptance criteria. So all the developers or administrators will follow those acceptance criteria. So it will be like this. Okay. So create an custom app, right? Name it as SMB sales app. This is the acceptance criteria. So how we create, we'll see that one later. Learning of technology is a secondary option. First, you should know why you create an application, right? You got clarity. Why do you create? Why you are going to create this application? Okay. Yes. Now, asking about the story point, creation of application. We don't know how to create applications at a Salesforce. We'll see that one. Okay. So for every story, we have a story points. Story points means estimation. Okay. So I can give this one as a two-point story. What is that? 2-point story. Okay. Status. Analysis part. Still we are doing analysis. So different statuses will be there after analysis completed. Okay. Sprint committed. Once you do analysis and you are ready to accept this one, then we can convert this statuses to a sprint committed. So when you are working on this, the status will be an in progress. When you develop and you deploy that to the for QA, ready for QA. If QA given sign off and then you can make it as a deploy. If it goes to the production, you can make it as a deployed or you can make it as a completed. Or if any defect came, Again, the status comes to the input class like that. Okay. So who will be the assignee here? Any developer or something else? So I'll give developer as a mark. Which sprint this is? As we discussed it, this is release 1.0. Consider it. This is a release 1.0. Okay. Or you can make it as a sprint 1. Environment, you're going to develop this environment so far as of now in a sandbox. Clear? So do you know the meaning of sandbox? Do you know the meaning of sprint? Right? Do you know how many statuses will be there in the agile process? Do you know the story points? Okay. Description, acceptance criteria, do you know? And title and user story number. So all these are very, very important when you're speaking technically with the people. It's in a real time. This is what we missed generally when you are trying to build on. Salesforce is secondary. These are primary first. Procedure is a first point. You can listen that? It is same. Can listen. So now you got clarity on the first user story. You're going to create a SMB sales app for who? Sales reps, internal employees of a CG. Okay, those are called as sales reps. Okay, what they will do by using that app? They will generate business. What kind of business? They will do pre-sales business and as well as conversion of leads to contacts, and they'll generate some order kind of a business and everything. They'll do. Clear? First story. Shall I proceed to next story? Are you okay? So these kind of questions they'll ask you. Shall I proceed to next user story? Because after you're getting understanding only, we can go to the another user story. Clear?
The story points too.
అంటే అది ఏమంటారు వెయిటేజ్ 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 అంటే లోనా మీడియమా ఓకే ద కాంప్లెక్సిటీ ఆఫ్ దట్ యూజర్ స్టోరీ సో ఆల్వేస్ స్టోరీ పాయింట్స్ రిలేస్ ఆన్ ద కాంప్లెక్సిటీ ఆఫ్ ద యూజర్ స్టోరీ ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ సిజీ the user story, right? SMB service app. This is the title. So now, what you will write as a CRM product owner, I want SMB service app for service cloud users. Okay. To serve support to customers. Okay. Now go with an acceptance criteria. Create an console app. Make it as SMB service app. SMB service app. Create a console app. You're going to understand two things. One is custom app, and another one is console app. Console app. One is custom app, another one is console app. Two things are there. That means you can create two applications. Okay. So here I will write another point. Okay. Must be applicable to both classic and lightning. So this is very, very important. Second point. This is also my acceptance criteria. right? LEX means lightning experience. So this also story point 2, okay? So it is stuck, just give me a second. Okay, did you understand the second point? Okay, so we are going to create a service cloud app for the service rep. Clear? Okay, put this one aside now. See, you consider this is a user. What is this? User. Okay, if you consider this user is a doctor, how can you say this user is a doctor? How can you say this user is a software engineer? How can you say this guy is a hardware engineer, network engineer? Based on,
Based on his behavior and
based on behavior.
yes,
Okay, somewhat near.
like end
Based
user
on
will
his
come as a
work.
user,
What is that?
like end user will come as a user, right?
Yes, based on profile.
Profile, right?
Exactly. Based on profile. Right now, we all are having one profile. Might be some people working, some people are not working, some people are learning. Okay. Let's say, for example, there are doctors. Cardiosurgeon doctor is there. What cardiosurgeon doctor will do? He will do cardio related operations or something. Neurosurgeon is there. Can neurosurgeon do the cardiosurgeon related operations? No. Got it? So based on his profile, the user can behave, right? Similarly, for my for my end users, okay, I want to define some profiles. For every user, we'll have a profile. Got it? For every user, we'll have a profile. Here, we all are the people. We all are having profiles. If you know it, yes, we all have profiles. I'm also having profile. Okay, so every user in the world will have the profile. Remember it. Got clarity? We'll see what is profile later. What is the importance of profile? Okay. So what I'm trying to say is when you're going to create a sales reps and service reps, you need users. You need internal employees. When you need internal employees, definitely you need to define some profiles. I'm not explaining you what is user, what is profile. And I'm giving you a business. Boss, your Crompton is there. End users are there. Who are end users? Sales reps and service reps. Sales reps and service reps, both are the users. They use your applications. So for every user will have their own profile, right? What is profile means? With the help of profile, you can define what that user is doing, behavior. Okay. So that's what our customer is saying. Okay. So our customer is saying SMB sales users. What is that? SMB sales user. Okay. As a CRM product owner, I want an SMB sales users. Okay. Need to be access SMB sales app. Are you getting the point? As a CRM product owner, I want an SMB sales user need to be access SMB sales app. Very clear and very easy this is. Okay. So what is the acceptance criteria? Can anyone guess? One. Okay. Create a new sales rep is nothing but a user. Create a new sales admin profile. I'll tell you what is user and what is profile now, later, not now. Okay, but you can easily understand. We are developing. See, you are developing these two applications. Someone has to use. These people will be used. Okay, that too. These people is a sales users. So the creation of this one is also story point is 2. Clear? Now let's go with another. CG, CRM, 500050003. Okay, what we need? SMB, service cloud users. Same criteria. Service cloud user need to access the SMB service app, service cloud app. Okay, so this is the acceptance criteria. Need to create a new service cloud rep or service user, service rep. Here, admin profile. Clear? These two things. Any doubts? These 4 user stories. ఈ ఒక్క డయాగ్రామ్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటే చాలు. We developed 4 user stories. How many points?
2.2.
Total capacity? 4 twos. 8. 8. Okay? 8. Now, here I will create another option here. So here you have an apps. What is the apps you are going to create? SMB sales app. SMB service cloud app. Okay. So for these apps, definitely there will be a tabs. For these apps, definitely there will be a tabs. Okay. So what are the tabs you are going to be used means, here I will give SMB sales app and SMB service cloud. Okay, so tabs like here you have like a campaign. Okay, lead, account, contact, opportunity. These are the tabs we already seen. Okay, and even I think Vijay also explained you, right? Yeah. So, but still there is a CRM concept is that I want to clearly explain what exactly the campaign is, in where this campaign will be fulfillment to our application. We have to discuss everything. I'm just introducing you again. Okay, so there will be a case object will be there. Okay, there are some another objects also. Transaction line item. Okay, and we have something like client, team member, interaction. Okay, survey. Okay, like this. I will introduce you couple of the objects or tabs or whatever it may be. Okay, so far, so this campaign need to be accessed by this one. All these are accessed by This one except case. Okay. Here, except this and this, I don't require anything. Rest of the things are no, because you can leave it. Are you getting the point? So these count will be increased day by day. So far, we can recognize only these are the objects. I'll show you why these objects are came here. So now let's open this one. So here we have a flow actually. What is this? Sales rep flow. Sales rep will log in. Okay. They will search the address. Can you see that? They will search the address. Let's say you are the sales reps and you have a products. Okay. You log into the portal. Okay. You search the address whether these products can be delivered or not. Think about internal employees wise, not with the customers wise. Okay. See, let's say customer already given order for you based on the requirement. Okay. Based on the requirement, customer already given a order for you. So that requirement will be available in one of the object called as service request form. One of the object called as service request form. Customer already given some requirement for you. That requirement will be available in this request form. Based on this request form, they will search the address. Okay, if he is already a customer, they will directly jump to the account. If he is not the existing customer, they will create a lead. They will convert that lead to an account. Okay, and they will prepare a survey whether we can deliver the product or not. Okay, they will create an order, and that orders will have some products, pricing, and they will submit that order to an SAP system. So this is the flow. I just introduced you to the flow. Okay, but I have to in-depth need to be explained what is this modules and what is this, each and everything. All these are nothing but a modules. In the next coming sessions, you are going to be. Okay, you think you are a sales rep, you log into the Salesforce. Okay, based on the requirement. Okay, either you need to be converted lead to an account or already existing customer will be there. Okay, you have to do some business. That means either you have to do pre-sale business or the order management kind of stuff. Okay, pre-sale business, this lead campaigns and everything will always deals with the pre-sale business. All these are okay. So we'll think about everything in the next coming sessions. So tomorrow I'm going to uh, couple of things are custom objects also. Okay, we will introduce you at that time. So we have 4 user acceptance stories right now at the moment. Tomorrow we'll convert the status to the sprint committed and we'll start working on that. Meanwhile, you people, we can call it as data dictionary. What is that? Data dictionary. We will track each and everything here. We will track each and everything. Data dictionaries means tracking, the tracker. Okay. So now how many user stories you are having in your plate? 4 user stories. I don't want to tell you how to create application inside a Salesforce. Okay. Try to complete these 4 user stories today itself. Okay. You first try it. Okay. Tomorrow at any cost I have to tell you. Okay. At any cost I have to implement these 4 user stories in my arc. So before am I creating, you have to do research and finish the requirement. See, ప్రతి ప్రోగ్రామ్కి ఏం కావాలంటే రీసెర్చ్ చేసి రిక్వైర్మెంట్ క్లోజ్ చేయాలి, అంతేగాని దెర్ ఈస్ నో స్పూన్ ఫీడింగ్. అర్థమైంది నేను చెప్పిన పాయింట్ మీకు ఎందుకు చెప్తున్నా అంటే రియల్ టైంలో వెన్ యూ గో ఇన్ టు ద రియల్ టైమ్ ఎవ్రీ డే ఇస్ అ ఛాలెంజ్ ఫర్ యూ. వాట్ ఈస్ ద వర్క్ యూ హ్యావ్ బీన్ డన్ ఎస్టర్డే will never come today. Got it? Then how you will close this? You have to do research and close it. Okay? Try to learn how to do research and close it. You have to close these 4 user stories. Okay? Tomorrow I'll close all these 4 user stories. Clear? Yeah. So we'll catch up tomorrow. I have another meeting at 11 o'clock, so I have to leave early. Okay? We'll catch up tomorrow, 11 o'clock. But meanwhile, this one will have, you have a drive access here.
I didn't get access. I didn't get
Subbu, ask Subbu. Okay. So you have a drive access. Go to this. Today, your job is open this data dictionary. Forget about Sprint or Agile, whatever it may be. Open this. When you open this one, you can see the user stories. Now you identify how can I do it inside my Salesforce app. That is the only question. And here I given a help for you also. You can see campaign, leads, contacts, but you cannot see transaction line items, client team members, interaction, survey. You cannot see these objects. Then what to do?
Can customize.
Yes, you can customize. How you can customize? Find out that navigation, everything. Okay. Try to be match up with me. Clear? Any doubts? Any doubts? Get some doubts tomorrow. వస్తాయి ఖచ్చితంగా. Okay.
User story ki 5,000
అది వర్క్ ఇచ్చాను. I just given something. Okay. నా బ్రేక్ అప్పుడు అది గుర్తొచ్చింది ఇచ్చాను. There is no pattern. Okay. ఎందుకంటే this is a customer and this is the CRM where we are working. That's it. Clear, guys? We'll see you tomorrow. Okay. Thank you.
Class 11. Class 11.
10.